Welcome to another video where today we're talking all about the Tesla Model Y. This electric crossover has quickly become one of the most popular and successful models in Tesla's lineup, and it's easy to see why. With its sleek and sporty design, impressive driving range, fast charging technology, and top-notch safety features, the Model Y has something for everyone. But that's just the beginning. We'll also be discussing the growth of Tesla as a company, the Model Y's impressive performance, and much more. So if you want to learn everything there is to know about the Tesla Model Y, make sure to stick around and watch this entire video. First up, let's talk about the design of the Model Y. At a first glance, if you're not familiar with Teslas, it's hard to tell if it's a crossover version of the Model 3 or a mini version of the Model X, especially from the side. The truth is, it's a little bit of both. The Model Y takes inspiration from both of these Tesla models, making it a unique and eye-catching vehicle. The Model Y is a unique electric crossover that combines a sleek and sporty appearance of the Model X with the design elements of the Model 3. In terms of technology, the Model Y shares many similarities with the Model 3. Next, let's talk about the growth of Tesla as a company. The Model Y has been a huge success, just like the Model 3 before it. Despite its size, the Model Y has played a major role in Tesla's success as an automaker. Its popularity has led to the construction of new factories in Germany and China to meet the demand for the vehicle. These production facilities are not small by any means, and they have allowed Tesla to become one of the largest manufacturers in the world. The Model Y's success can be attributed to a number of factors, including its impressive driving range, fast charging technology, top-notch safety features, its incredible performance, and most of all, its spacious cargo interior. Its versatility and innovation make it a strong contender in the EV market, and its popularity is only set to grow in the coming years. Speaking of demand, one of the most important factors for electric vehicle owners is charging speed. The Model Y comes equipped with Tesla's fast charging technology, making it easy to take long road trips and offering peace of mind thanks to Tesla's extensive supercharging network. Charging speed is a crucial factor for electric vehicle owners, as it can make a big difference in terms of convenience and peace of mind. The supercharging network makes it easy to charge the Model Y on the go when you're out on a road trip. This network includes over 40,000 superchargers worldwide, making it easy to find a charging station no matter where you are. This is especially useful for long-distance travel, as it means you don't have to worry about running out of charge while you're out on the road. A quick little side note is that your primary method of charging should be at home, as it's the most convenient and the cheaper option overall. The Model Y's fast charging technology and access to Tesla's extensive charging network make it a great choice for electric vehicle owners who value convenience and peace of mind. Whether you're taking a short trip around town or a long road trip across the country, you're covered. So the Model Y is an ideal vehicle for those who need to charge their car quickly and easily, especially when considering it's a highly desired crossover vehicle with excellent storage space. But the Model Y does not just excel in charging, it also has impressive range capabilities. You can get up to 330 miles on a single charge for the long-range model. This impressive range is made possible by the Model Y's advanced battery technology, which is designed to provide maximum energy density and efficiency. In addition to its impressive range, the Model Y also boasts impressive performance. If you opt for the Performance Model Y, you'll be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. This makes the Model Y one of the quickest crossovers on the market, and its top speed of 155 miles per hour means you can reach its speeds in no time. Overall, the Model Y is a joy to drive, and its impressive range and acceleration make it a great choice for long-distance travel. The minimalist design of the Tesla Model Y's interior is a standout feature that's typical of Tesla vehicles. The interior is dominated by a massive panoramic glass roof that creates an open and spacious feel, making it feel like you're driving a much larger vehicle. The center console is almost non-existent, with all major controls bundled into the infotainment screen. This means they can control the drive settings, music, and air conditioning all from the touchscreen display, creating a seamless and intuitive driving experience. The Model Y's minimalist design extends to the rest of the interior as well. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered. The door panels and center console are also minimal, with only a few buttons and controls that are essential for driving, such as the window controls and the hazard lights. This clean and simple design helps to create a calm and relaxing driving environment, which is perfect for long road trips. Overall, the Model Y's minimalist design is a standout feature. Its clean and simple interior and advanced features make it a joy to drive, and its advanced technology helps you keep connected and safe on the road. Next, let's talk about safety. The Model Y has received a 5-star safety rating, which is no surprise given Tesla's track record for safety. The Model Y has consistently received 5-star ratings from safety organizations, cementing its reputation as one of the safest cars on the road. From the unique design of their electric vehicles to the various safety features that help prevent accidents, Tesla has clearly put a lot of thought and engineering into ensuring safety for their cars. One of the standout features of Teslas that contribute to its impressive safety rating is their low center of gravity, which is made possible by the placement of the battery pack on the floor of the vehicle. This gives Teslas a low center of gravity that helps it stay stable and safe on the road, even at high speeds. The Model Y's crossover design makes it a practical choice for families who need a reliable and spacious vehicle. The Model Y is designed to seat up to 5 adults comfortably with plenty of headroom and legroom for everyone. The seats are also adjustable and heated, which helps to keep you comfortable on long road trips. In addition to its comfortable seating, the Model Y also boasts plenty of cargo room. The rear seats can be folded down, providing extra room for luggage, groceries, or other items. There's also a front trunk, or a frunk as they call it, which provides additional space for smaller items. The 76 cubic feet of storage makes the Model Y a great choice for families who need a reliable and practical vehicle that can handle all of their daily needs. Its crossover design also makes it a practical and versatile choice for families. Whether you're taking a road trip or just running errands around town, the Model Y has the space and versatility you need to get the job done. But let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The Model Y is not exactly cheap, starting around $55,000. However, when you factor in the potential fuel savings and government incentives, it starts to make more sense as a cost-effective choice. And if you enjoy performance and the upgraded 0 to 60/top speed, the performance model starting at $59,000 could make more sense for you. It's also worth considering that the Model Y's closest competitors in the electric crossover market are still very underwhelming and not quite there yet in terms of performance, features, range, and efficiency. While some options may be cheaper up front, they often lack the advanced technology and impressive range of the Model Y, making them less appealing as long-term investments. Overall, the Model Y's starting price may seem daunting at first, but when you consider all of the potential fuel savings, government incentives, and its impressive performance and features, it starts to make a lot more sense as a long-term investment. Finally, let's talk about what it's like to drive the Model Y. Simply put, it's a joy. The car has excellent performance, comfort, and handling, making it a pleasure to drive. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling winding back roads, the Model Y handles it all with ease. When it comes to driving and handling, the Tesla Model Y truly shines. The car has excellent performance with a few different drive modes to choose from. The long-range Model Y has a 0 to 60 time of 4.8 seconds, while the performance model cuts that time down to a blistering 3.5 seconds. This makes the Model Y one of the quickest crossovers on the market. In terms of comfort, the Model Y does not disappoint. The car has a smooth and refined ride thanks to the electric powertrain and advanced suspension. Whether you're tackling rough roads or cruising down the highway, the Model Y provides a comfortable and enjoyable ride. As far as handling goes, the Model Y excels in this category. The car has a low center of gravity thanks to the battery pack being placed along the floor, which gives it a stable and agile feel on the road. The Model Y is also equipped with advanced traction control and stability systems, which help keep the car planted and in control at all times. Overall, the Tesla Model Y is a pleasure to drive. It has excellent performance, comfort, and handling, making it a standout choice for anyone looking for a fun and efficient electric crossover. The Tesla Model Y is a game-changing electric crossover that offers a unique blend of style, technology, and performance. Its sleek and sporty design take inspiration from both the Model X and the Model 3, making it a one-of-a-kind vehicle. The Model Y is a strong contender in the EV market. Its innovative technology and versatility make it a great choice for electric vehicle owners who value convenience and peace of mind. So if you're in the market for an electric vehicle, the Tesla Model Y is definitely worth considering. Also, as a quick side note, these 9 things are not all of the impressive things the Model Y has or is capable of. The list continues on and on. I've made plenty of videos in the past that go even more in depth on the Model Y, and perhaps things you may not have known the Model Y has or is capable of. I'll link these videos in the description for you to check out. Also, check out my recent video I made on the top 18 essential Tesla Model Y and Model 3 accessories. I highly recommend this video if you've just placed an order for a Tesla or you recently took delivery of your Tesla. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And be sure to let me know your thoughts on the Model Y in the comments below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.